The error code 54 on a Noritz water heater indicates a low pressure issue within the system, which is the most common cause of this error. To fix it, start by checking the system pressure settings and verify if the current pressure meets the required levels. If the pressure is low, adjust it to match the recommended settings. Another solution is to install an external auto feeder valve, which involves shutting off the water supply, installing the valve according to the manufacturer's instructions, and then turning on the water supply to ensure the valve is functioning correctly. Additionally, flushing the heat exchanger can resolve the issue. To do this, turn off the power supply, locate and access the heat exchanger unit, and follow the manufacturer's guidelines to flush out any air or debris. After flushing, restart the water heater and monitor if the error code reoccurs. By applying these solutions, the error code 54 issue on a Noritz water heater can be fixed.